everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be turning Buldak Ramen into 3 fancy appetizers.
To start, I cooked 2 packets of carbonara Buldak Ramen to use in all 3 recipes. First up are the Buldak deviled eggs. I started by boiling 4 eggs, slicing them in half and removed the yolks into a bowl. Then I added Kewpie mayo, some of the carbonara powder, and some of the Buldak sauce and mixed it all together. Then I transferred the egg yolk mixture into a Ziploc bag to pipe it back into the eggs. To finish them off, I crisped up a little ramen and added on top for extra texture and spice. Next, I made Buldak cheese rolls. I started with rice paper, added some mozzarella cheese, laid it on the Buldak noodles, and finished with a little more cheese. Then I pan-fried them until golden brown. They look good, but I was definitely hoping for a little more crunch. Last, I made wonton cups with cream cheese and Buldak noodles. I layered in the cream cheese, added the noodles, and topped them off with mozzarella cheese before baking them for 10 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit.
Alrighty, here are all the appetizers. Let me show you guys what they look like. Alright, so we're gonna start with
trying the deviled eggs first. These were actually my favorite. They were creamy, flavorful, and had the best balance of spice.
Oh my gosh, the egg yolk is so good. All right, moving on to the one that I'm really excited about. This is the cheesy Buldak cheese roll.
They weren't bad, but I really wanted them crispier, and the noodles felt a little dry inside.
I will mention that it would taste better if there's like a dip with it. I feel that a cheesy, creamy Buldak sauce with this would make this perfect.
Then the wonton cups. Cute idea, but texture-wise, these just weren't my favorite. The tops got nice and crispy, but the bottom stayed softer than I expected.
Alrighty, well that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and try one of these recipes out for yourself. If you do, leave a comment below letting me know which one you would try or did try. See you guys for the next video. Bye!